Good morning from Naches. This is our Overland group. We're headed up to Little Bald Mountain and probably camp at Granite Lake. This will be a 3-day overland trip. One of our guys is going to show up a little bit later, meet us at the lake. So at this point we have 8 rigs, and JKU will be leaving this afternoon. So tomorrow we'll have the same 8 rigs. So we're gonna head on out. Okay, we're on the road. Okay, we're on the 1600. Stopping to air down. Everybody's airing down. We're pretty close to Sawmill Flats. Okay, we're on the 1600, heading up Little Bald Mountain. We're now on the rough section of the 1600.
Here, like not too long ago.
Shelby. Okay, we're loading up. I'm going to head on down the 1600 to the intersection and work our way down to Little Naches area on 410. Okay, we're down here close to Highway 410. I'm going to stop and see if anybody wants to air up. Be a nice place for a break. Here we are at 410. Everybody's gonna just take a break and maybe eat some lunch. Everybody's with me, says heck with airing up. We don't have that far to go. We're not doing that high speed, so we should be fine. Odo was trying to fix his air compressor.
We used to go camping in the Everlands, but the past 10 years.
Well, lunch is over. We're on the road, heading towards Bumping River Road. Well, back on the dirt. We're past Bumping Lake. Big tree in the road. So it took a while to cut that one. There he goes. I was a little concerned about that one. Whoa.
Keep it straight or to the left if you can.
Yeah, back up. No. Turn your wheels back. Straighten it up a little bit. Okay. You want them back up?
Reset them. Yeah, back them up.
Okay, back up.
Straight back, just like that.
Just like you are. Mirror might get it.
Yeah. Straight. No, keep it straight.
Keep it straight. You gotta straighten it back out. Oh, I guess that worked.
There you go. Straighten it out.
That was fun. All right, all the big ones are through now.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. First time I've ever gotten to have one.
Camp set up here at Granite Lake. It's real peaceful out here. It's kind of hilly, so we're in two different areas.
That's cool.
And Don's up here on top.
Go on.
Yeah,
Go on.
yeah, he quit chewing. He's been chewing on those Zyn for like the last 4 years. It's like, are you ever gonna quit the Zyn?
Good morning from Granite Lake. It's a little bit after 7. Yeah, it's a little chilly. Sure is pretty up here. See the clouds moving across the top of the trees there. Hopefully it warms up and clears up. We got some viewpoints to go to today. Okay, we just left Granite Lake and we're heading up to Miners Ridge. Hopefully it's clear enough for a view of Mount Rainier. Well, we're on top of a mountain, Miners Ridge, and there's supposed to be a big volcanic mountain called Mount Rainier right there. Well, it's hiding in the clouds. Oh, I think it's right there. Hopefully they part ways so we can get an actual view of it. Some of the guys walked to the top of the mountain. Went down here hanging with Ted, who was checking out his camera. Now we're heading down back towards Granite Lake from Miners Ridge. We're going to go on down to the intersection and go up to Copper City. So Sally's riding along. Oh, Sally. She's happy to go. There's the lake. Stopped here to regroup with the rest of the guys who are still on the ridge.
Oh yeah, tons of room on this way. Sprinkle. Well, we're grouped up and now we're heading up the Copper City Trail. Here's the runs of the
stuff that shouldn't be on the surface. There was another plaque out here.
cadmium, that's poison.
Yeah.
Yeah, but also battery material.
It has an isotope.
Well, we had fun at Copper City, had lunch, so we're going to head on back out to 410 and head to Little Naches area. Now we decided to stop and look at the waterfall. Okay, seeing the waterfall, and now we're heading towards 410. Back on the road again. Want to drop off?
You get it?
Yeah. One way or another.
They are going into his throat. They're just bouncing out. Don't tell me you haven't had nuts in your throat.
Decided to go down here and check out the lake. Beach area. Boat launch. Okay, now we're headed towards 410 to go to Little Naches. Back on Highway 410. Heading up to 1902 right now, to Raven's Roost. Well, we're at Raven's Roost, and you can see the bottom mountain right there. is cold. So I'm gonna get back in the Jeep, turn the heater back on. We're heading back down the 1902. I'm gonna cut off and run down to 1906 and camp probably at Lost Meadow. Well, yeah, rain now. It's not good. I might be wet tonight. We're gonna hold my tent. Well, everyone's setting up camp right now, and I'm cooking dinner, and I got some hot sauce for my Mexican food, MREs. I want a tent set up, a few things to throw in it as dinner is cooking. We got here, Lost Meadow, and it was raining. So, put the tent under the tree and part of the Jeep. Try to keep things dry. Good morning from Lost Meadow. This is our last day of the Overland trip. And it is cold this morning. It's 7 a.m. And I think I'm going to have to turn a heater on the Jeep because I am very cold. Still quiet in camp other than my Jeep running the heater on. When I visited the toilet, it's nice to have one of those out in the woods. Well, we're heading out from Lost Meadow, our campground, and most of the people's taking off other directions, heading towards their homes, and we're gonna take a back way to the Ellensburg Pass just to get a little more off-road miles. Here we are at Whistling Jack, and Don had to get some fuel. We're gonna go in and get some ice cream. We're now airing down. We're on the 1701. We're gonna head on up to the top and then turn off towards DNR land. We're heading up to 1701, and we caught up to this Jeep that's going slow. We passed this when we were airing down. Now we're headed towards the Wenis. Okay, now we're entering state land. It's definitely warmer. Well, we made it down to Barbecue Flats, and we're leaving state land. Head out Malloy Road and Arrow. We've made it down to North Wenis Road.
That's what you're doing.
Yeah, Don's going to air up. That's why his hood's up.
The Cherokee's hood's always up.
Well, this ends our adventure for the Overland trip. Thank you very much for watching.